Look who we got here in the morning, man. We got Lucky and pulled up on us, man. He ain't sitting in the lot, but look at this Corvette. First time I didn't really seen it up in person since he got a wrap, because he usually don't drive it that often. But yeah, let's look at this thing up close in person. Pretty nice, really nice. I like those tire stickers. I'm gonna have to get some tire stickers for my BMW. But yeah, let's go in here and chop it up with Luck a little bit. Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is, JJ, back at it like an addict, no rehab, because I'm addicted to giving you guys all the advice and information you're gonna need to get that car of your dreams open. But as you can see, it's Monday, so I just want to offer you guys some words of motivation. But always first things first. I just want to thank all the people who subscribed over the weekend. I want to thank all the people who subscribed to the Patreon. I want to thank all the people who's been dropping comments and sending me messages on Facebook and Instagram. I appreciate all the support, all your feedback. That's first things first. That's how we always start our Mondays off. Always thankful and appreciative of everything and every opportunity that we're earning and gaining. So little words of motivation. Don't get down on yourself. If stuff not going right, because I always think about it. It's always somebody in the world that's doing better than you, and it's always somebody in the world that's doing worse than you. So don't get down on yourself. Just keep doing what you got to do, man. Just stay motivated and just keep going. Never, like I said, don't get down on yourself because something's not going your way. Because I always think about it. It's somebody out there that's doing worse than you. So why do you get the right to complain? So don't complain. Just try to do what you can do to make your situation better. Grind, go a little bit harder if you have to. Go, if you have to, go a little bit harder. But appreciate Lucky for coming through, helping me find an assistant. Also, he's gonna show you guys a little behind the scenes footage before he even edits this video. So y'all guys are gonna see some of his racing footage before he even drops it. So hey, let's get to it. First, just little words from Luck. We got a lot of stuff coming this week. I will be sitting down again with Carlos. I'll be probably going out to Bob Howard again, and I'll probably maybe talk to George this week. George, somebody that's at there. So I'll be doing that tomorrow. So be back out there. Wednesday walk arounds coming back. We're probably gonna drop the Wednesday walk arounds. I'll probably drop the day of the sale auction footage probably be for Thursday now. That's probably what I'll start doing. I'll probably just do Wednesday. Keep Wednesday being the walk arounds. I know it doesn't get that many views, but hey, I like it, and some people like it, so I'll keep that going. And then Wednesday, the auto auction sales, I'll probably move that, the inside of the sales, probably move that to Thursday. And then Friday will just be basically more advice and more auctions. So, we got a lot of things going. Let's get to it. Appreciate you. Let's get to people, Luck.
Hey, I ain't up here like that, man. Hey, don't be saying my name like that, man. I ain't up here like that.
We don't even know Lucky now. Hey, Lucky, stop.
Hey, I ain't up here like that, man. Stop the press. Stop the press.
Lucky stopping by. He don't even know us no more. Right. But good thing about Lucky, he found us as an assistant. So let us introduce you to our new assistant. Let them know who you are.
My name is Tara.
Yes, Lucky found us an assistant. So
tell him, hey, we getting money now, though.
Shout out to Lucky, man. Appreciate the building. You got anything to say to the people, Lucky, man?
We're gonna get money. We're about to tear up the game like we always do. We're about to turn it up, crank it up a notch. Man, we're just trying to be successful, man. We got a lot of things coming this year and definitely next year. Y'all just gonna have to stay tuned and watch all the videos. If y'all not subscribed, make sure y'all hit the subscribe on my boy JJ's page. If y'all not subscribed to my channel, Lucky Wheels and Deals, come over to Lucky Wheels and Deals, man. I keep stuff lit. He probably dropped this video before I drop my video, but hey, stay tuned for it. I got a lit video of me racing, man. I ain't raced in a minute, but it's a long. I think it's a long lit video. It's gonna be a long lit video. I didn't edit it yet, but it's coming out. So y'all
yeah, I'm gonna drop this video before him, so then y'all already know that the video is coming. So before, so y'all already go over there and be waiting for it. He probably gonna premiere it, so y'all know y'all go watch Lucky race. He probably got beat a couple times, but I ain't gonna say
I
nothing.
ain't get beat, man.
I ain't gonna say
won
nothing.
like 10 races, man. And no one was messing with Zelly, man. It was lit. I can't wait to drop it. I can't wait to drop it.
So y'all just be waiting on that, and you know, appreciate
maybe I
it.
can give them a sneak peek. Let me see why they. See, I'm gonna give you folks exclusive. Let me see.
Oh, look at that. Y'all get an exclusive here.
Let me try to get them exclusive. Hold on. Let me see. Where is that at? Where is that at?
Sneak peeks behind the scenes, man. This is all access to Luck. Luck came through. He helped us with an assistant.
That race. Oh, let me find that little race one.
Yeah, let me find it.
I'm gonna find it. I don't know, Kenny. Oh, let me find it. Where is that? Where is that? Let me find it. Hold on, people. Hold on.
Hold on.
Y'all be patient. All right, here we go. I think this is it.
How many people was racing at once? They got the Mustang. Boy, they put out a truck out there.
Boy, that was like a GTA race right there. At the airport.
Looking like Fast and the Furious.
Look at that.
What was that, a Cadillac over there? Or not? I don't know. Who was that with that slow white car in the back just pulling up the end?
And then we got this one. I'm gonna give them this exclusive. This is gonna be like the main.
Look at that, y'all getting all this
Yeah,
exclusive. Oh, that was
man.
a Cadillac. That was a Cadillac going that slow?
Y'all getting exclusive, man.
Y'all getting exclusive. This is before
I dropped the video before I even edited it.
Lucky out there showing out on the people, man.
So man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. And if y'all not, man, I keep stuff lit.
Make sure y'all subscribe. We're gonna sit down and have another interview with Lucky. He gonna tell y'all a little bit more, but we appreciate him. He brought us a new assistant, and we appreciate him for that. You know, shout out to Luck.
We're gonna clean it up around here, man. We're gonna get some money around here.
Yeah, he helping the grind out over here.
Yep, the grind don't stop. The grind don't stop, y'all.
All right, man. We let you get out of here, man.
Yeah.
Here to start up out here. Oh yeah, that's what you see. Lucky pulled up on me, man. See, look at that. Now I gotta get me something nice. Nah, I'm just playing. It won't happen. All right. Yeah, as you can see, the lot's emptying up, man. You know, we had a pretty good Friday and Saturday. We sold 3 cars Friday and 3 cars Saturday, so we sold a total of 6 cars. So as you can see, a lot of empty spaces. I'm gonna work and consolidate this lot up some more. As y'all can see, the little car they gave out on me, man, it's over here on flat, but it's okay though. You know, I took the two good tires off of there, put that on something else. We're gonna send that to the junkyard. Y'all gonna get a video of that one of these days. But yeah, I haven't started my Firebird up or my Camaro in a minute. I need to stop being lazy. So I'm gonna see if it starts up today, because I got dropped off today here. So Firebird probably won't start up because I need to go get another battery for that. Or I'll probably get a battery out of one of these other cars. I need to put my car cover on there and quit playing around. Firebird is still sitting back here. A lot of work needs to be done on this thing, but you know, haven't started it in a while. So let's see if my battery's still up or not. Oh, let's see. You know, it's been a while. I have to get to these cars eventually. Y'all gonna see eventually. So just stay with me. You know, we go. Y'all gonna get this. But let's see. I know it's been a while. Let's see if she gonna start. If my baby gonna start. See how good these batteries. Nope, battery's down. So, oh well. You know, I'm not gonna start them today. Probably get a battery for my Camaro tomorrow. Let me close my door better. Close it and lock it. I'll get a battery for my Camaro tomorrow. Then I'll start them up, and you know, cause they've been sitting back here for too long and not started. Don't want that bad gas and nothing like that to mess up with it. So you know, gotta keep them started. Do a better job of that. I definitely will. I need to take my Camaro take that to the shop, because I definitely want to start driving these things more often. So my Firebird, I need to take that to the shop, just because the fan, like I don't want to keep popping the hood and connecting the fan. I wanted the fan to come on properly. Then I got my rear spoiler at my mom's house, so I need to get that and put that on to make it look better. And then Camaro, I guess my nephew didn't close the door, but they both, a lot of work to be done on them. But yeah, let's go in here and sit down here at the lot and talk a little bit and see what we can talk about. But you know, I appreciate Lucky, you know, the lady that's introduced at the beginning of in the video, that that's his sister's sister. So she was looking for like another, she had a job, so she had offered to help me out, help the lot out. So you know, we worked out a good deal. You know, I appreciate him for helping me find somebody, you know, and she's related to Lucky, so you know, it's always better just to keep it people you know. So I really appreciate that. But what can we talk about today, guys? What would you guys like to know? Couldn't get my car started, but hey, y'all got that behind the scenes of some of them Lucky's video coming up. Man, let's go in here and let's see what we can talk about. Let's get it. Or you know, let's go. Hey, I just want to thank you guys, everybody for tuning in. I appreciate all you guys' support. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. You know, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. We're gonna be out there, like I said, at Bob Hart, you know, talking with some salespeople, letting you guys know about how it is selling cars, and just giving you guys some more information. So, you know, we'll be out there this way. You know, probably go to the auction tomorrow, see what they're gonna have, see how many cars. Hopefully it's gonna be a good sale this week. And also, while I'm out there at these lots, I'll also ask, you know, about any, maybe getting linked in and see if I can buy some of their trade-ins before they come to auction. But you know, I know how that things go. But I appreciate you guys once again. I'm out. Thank you guys. See y'all in tomorrow's video. Peace.